Today I'm going to share with you two different websites which are absolutely free and you can use these to earn over $1,000 plus every single month. I'm also going to share with you proof that this method works and I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, okay? Now the idea for today's video came about because I'll quickly jump over here into the Facebook group. So you can see this now. I'll blank out this person's name, but ultimately what happened here is over in the university Facebook group, someone had shared this post. And you can see, look, my first full month of earning from affiliate marketing and selling digital products. It's not that, by the way. You can see down here, look, on the agency front, we now have two contracts ongoing with a total value of $1,500 per month. $1,500 starting from scratch in a single month. And this method I'm going to share with you today, it's awesome because we are using free resources, and then I'll share with you an actual live walkthrough of this actual example, because I'll show you this as well. Over here inside of the university over here, I have got all of these different categories for making money online and from home. We've got an interview series and lots more. So everything I'm doing in my online businesses to make money goes inside of here, inside of the university. Now, one of the methods I use is I have an online agency. Most of the work is done, it's outsourced. So I literally spend maybe 1 to 2 hours a month on the whole agency, and it brings in a pretty decent passive income. And if you set this up correctly, you can do this manually, you can outsource this. But as you've seen over here, starting from scratch, and this member has earned $1,500 per month. And if you set this up correctly, you can also set this up to become a passive income. So first of all, let me share with you the websites which are absolutely free. So the first one is this one over here. Yes, it's this one here. Now, this is called Google Digital Garage, and it's absolutely free. You can see inside of here, these are actual Google courses. They've got 160 courses which you can take for free. Now, there's lots inside of here, okay? You can see, look, make sure customers find you online, promote a business, all of these wonderful things. But essentially, what this method is that we are looking at today is we are going to help local businesses find customers, and we're going to get paid some very good money for doing so. So if we scroll down here, we can see Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. This is the course, and they also give you a certificate. So, if you have a job, you can also put this on your CV if you wanted. But if we scroll down here, look, we can see these are the lessons, the online opportunity. So it gives you a walkthrough. But then it starts moving along here. So it will show you, look, build your web presence. So this course here will show you how to build a website from scratch. Pretty cool. But then come across here, look, let me move this along. Look, plan your online business strategy. So literally all of these here, but then it starts going into the nuts and bolts of this, where this is where you can start to earn the money. This starts to talk about search engine optimization. It goes over the basics of this. It also covers paid search. Then we move across here to get discovered with search, because essentially this whole method is, if someone's looking for a barber, a hairdresser, a gardener, an electrician, a mechanic, anything, they'll go onto Google or a search engine and type in, gardeners near me or gardeners in a certain area. And the whole purpose of all of this digital marketing here is that somebody's website will be ranking on page 1 right near the top, ideally in position number 1 or 2, or in something called the map path, which I'll show you in a bit. So this will show you how all of this works. It even goes through the actual process, how to select keywords, and also setting targets. It's an awesome course, okay? Then over here, it will show you how to do search ads. So guess what? It will show you how you can run paid ads for anyone you're working with. And literally, it's taught by Google, and you would be running Google ads. So, by the end of it, you're certified to work with anyone because you are certified from Google, and ultimately you would be running Google ads. We've also got this here, and then we've also got get noticed locally, and we've got, as you can see on here, look, even social media is covered on here, this one over here, and there's so much in here. So this is one of the websites that you can use, okay? The other one is this one over here, which is called Facebook. You just literally type in facebook.com/business/learn. Similar concept. Scroll down here, look, they offer free online courses. So if I click on here, I can see all of the free courses which are supplied by Meta, which is obviously Facebook. And look, prepare to bring your business online, establishing a business presence, attract an audience, build relationships, and then we move into the the monetizing part where you can earn money from this. And obviously we can do this with Facebook and also Instagram. But let's start at the beginning, okay? Because obviously both of these things are going to take a bit of time and effort. But once you've gone through them and you've got your your skills and experience, you can start offering these services to local clients and local businesses, and you'd be astounded at the sheer volume of people who basically need help. So an example of this is, so let me come on here. Let's come off here and let's go on to here. So up here, I'm just going to type in a profession in a local village, town, city, doesn't really matter. So for this example here, we will just go with gardeners in Beverley, okay? And this is literally the process. So I can scroll down here now. I can also see 1,300 people. I mean, that sounded it's that high. 1,300 people a month are looking for a gardener in a local village, okay? So, you could do this village, go to the next, etc., etc. But if I scroll down here, so straight away I can see, look, this here says sponsored. So someone here is actually running a paid ad on Google to be at the top here. So 1,300 people a month, they're seeing this right at the top. So this is one of the things you can actually learn either from, not this one, not the Facebook one, from the Google Digital Garage, where they show you how to run these paid ads. So you can do that for local clients. Now, if I scroll down here, we can see this here is known as the Map Pack. So we've got 3 in here. You can also offer services inside of here. We're not going to talk about that today, but again, it's an awesome service you can offer and build into a passive income. But if I scroll down here, what I'm doing when I look at this process, okay, I'm not really interested in page 1, okay. I'm going to go to page 2 or page even further back. And again, look, we can see here, look, we've got advertisements, advertisements, advertisements. So, people are willingly spending money to get in front of people, okay? Now, we're coming down here, and all I'm going to do is I want to find a website. So let's come a bit further down, like this one here, Andy's Gardening. Local, let's have a look at this one. I'm going to open this one up into a new tab, and all I'm doing is the process. So this is about my business. Not the best looking website. So again, we could literally offer to help this guy here, Andy, with his website, literally using what we learned from Google about optimizing the actual page, about using keywords and search engine optimization, and lots more. That's a service that we could offer. But the first thing I'm doing on here is I'm just having a look at this to see, are any of these keywords related to what people are actually searching? Okay, so if I come back over here, and I can see, look, gardeners in Beverley, landscape gardeners Beverley. These are all keywords what Andy should be using on his webpage to get further up in the rankings. So I can't really see anything on there about those keywords. So that's some really simple optimization I could do on there. Also, I can see Andy doesn't seem to have any social media. So let me come on here, scroll down. Yeah, he's got, what's this, a YouTube video on there, that's not his, some different posts. But again, like this example over here, we could literally come over here and contact Andy, and we could offer to do a number of services for him. We could offer to help get his website optimized so it would help move further up the rankings in Google. We could also optimize his actual page here. We could even go down the route of saying to him, look, we've noticed you've got no social links on here. You're not linking out to social media in 2023. It's insane. We can set up your Facebook page for you. We can optimize it. We can do ongoing posts, etc., etc. And literally, you can do all this inside of here. It will show you everything completely for free. And look, this whole method of running an online agency, it's a numbers game, because obviously not everyone you contact is going to say, oh yeah, sounds great, let's sign me up today. But it's just a numbers game. It really is. And do you think Andy over here would like to be on page 1 of Google or have a presence on Facebook where he can get clients in and be offering his landscaping gardening services? I do think so, absolutely. And in terms of prices, you can do this for as little or as much as you like. In terms of Facebook, as an example, we have a number of clients where we're working with them, and for $250 a month or £250, we will run their Facebook page. We'll also run their Instagram page. And all we're doing is we literally schedule about an hour in the month to go onto the Facebook page and schedule posts for the month using what we have learned inside of here. It's really straightforward and simple, but that there is an example. I can think of at least 10 other services I could offer Andy today to start seeing improvements and getting him customers. It's really straightforward and simple. Now, if I come down here, let's go a bit, so that's on page 2, let's go to page 3. And you can see on here, it's not a case of there's no one searching for this. There's 1,300 people a month searching for gardeners in Beverley. And people are also paying to have advertisements on here. So again, that is another option you could use once you go through the Google digital marketing course. You can go through that, learn how to run campaigns like this, and you could message someone like this Andy over here, contact, and say, look, we've noticed you're not running paid ads on Google. There's 1,300 people a month searching for gardeners in Beverley. Would you like us to, start running some paid ad campaigns for you? You can start as little as £1 a day. You can take it up to, whatever amount of money you want, but you can start small with this, so you can start to, show that these methods work indeed. I'm going to come a bit further on the page here and find another one. Let's just find a different website. But you can see on here, I mean, some of these listings that are coming up, they're not even really relevant to the actual original search term. So let's come a bit further down here. Let's go to the next page and have a look. Come further down, look, garden maintenance. I mean, this person here, that's in Perth. That's nowhere near us. Let's come further on the page here. Goodreads, garden open reads. But I'll give you another example, okay? That's gardeners. So now, let's try restaurants in Beverley. And again, let's have a look how many. Look, 6,600 people a month are searching for restaurants in Beverley. So again, I'm just going to do the same process. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to let's just go to page 3 and have a look at this. Let's scroll down and find one. So this one here, I know. Let's find an actual website. The restaurant. This one here. Let's have a look at this. This is in Beverley. Okay, so I'm going to open this tab up, and again, just the same process. And it doesn't take long to have a look at this. So let's come down here. Really dated website. Doesn't look particularly great. Have they got any social media links? I can't see any on the page. Let me come down here, move my head. There's none on there. So again, it's an easy opportunity. This, I can reach out to them. I can go through the free training over here, how to bring this business online, establish the presence, etc. And then I can offer them a service to start creating social media content for them. There's so many different ways that you can do this. But in the beginning, I would definitely go down the route of optimizing things like Facebook and also the Google Digital Calendar, Google Digital Garage, and literally just go through that process and start to make a list of services you can offer to different companies. If you go with Google, you've got website creation, you've got website optimization, you've got running paid ads. If you go Facebook, again, you've got creating the Facebook page, bringing the presence online, creating the posts, and then you can even go a step further later on, whereby you could start creating videos for them. You could do YouTube videos for them. You could look at the map pack and lots more. But overall, that is today's method. And as you've seen from the start of this video, it's not hard at all. It just takes some time and effort. And lots of people are looking for customers now, especially now at this, in this day and age now, where lots of customers, lots of businesses are struggling to go ahead and get clients. Well, guess what? If they're on page 3 of Google, they are going to be struggling. If they've got no social media presence, they are going to be struggling. This opens it up to us. And literally, you don't have to be an expert in this, or you don't even have to have any skills, because Facebook over here and Google, they will give you all of the skills for free. And if you're in the university, you can come through here and go through all of these additional tabs down here. I share everything that we're doing in our agency as well. It's not difficult by any stretch of the imagination. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.